She must find the rest of the pack. Finally, her calls are answered. But to reunite, she must cross dangerous ground. Together again. It's a big relief. Smooth-coated otters are some of the most social animals in the world.